Here's a close-up look at the Vintage Coach Compact Pouch, style number 9620. It was made in the original New York City factory sometime in the 1980s, and it's in the color Tabac,
which I believe is French for tobacco.
So it's a nice brown tan color, as you can see here. This was a color that was made during the original New York City factory era. So it's a really nice color. And this bag is great because it comes with this little original tag from a department store. It says Horns on here, I believe, Hornes. And so it looks like it was nicely preserved over the years. It does have some writing on the tag, but it also comes with the original registration card with a New York City address on there and just some information here about Coach. And then also here's where you would have filled out the registration card. So it's nicely preserved, like I mentioned. And then it comes with this little
pouch,
which has some little paperwork inside. It's got information on the factory and Coach as a brand and some of their products, it looks like. So it's got all this paperwork that comes with the bag. So it's a nice little set here. And then it also comes with the matching hang tag. So this is one of the older style hang tags. It says Coach Leatherwear here on the front. Hopefully you can see that well. And then on the back, it's just suede texture. The same kind of texture that's on the inside of the bags is on the back of the hang tag. Okay, so now that I've shared all of the kind of background information that we have on the bag, I'll go ahead and show you the bag itself. So here is the front. It's got a nice turn lock closure here, as you can see. Here's a side view. The strap is sewn directly onto the sides of the bag, so this has a fixed strap. And then here is the back of the bag. And then here's the bottom. It does have a split seam along the center of the bottom of the bag. And then here's what it looks like when we open the bag. And now that we've removed the packing paper, here is the interior. It does have a slip pocket here on the inside of the bag, as well as the creed is stamped back there. Since it's hard to pick up on video, I'll go ahead and insert a close-up of the creed so you can see that as well. So that is the compact pouch, style number 9620. This great little bag just arrived in our online store, shop.cristinamoda.com. So I will leave a link below in case you wanted to look at this bag further. We also have many other vintage Coach items available in our online store, so I will leave a link below to our store as well. But otherwise, thanks for watching, take care, and see you next time.